India wants to build its own fighter jet engine, and Reliance Industries is exploring a partnership with British aero engine giant Rolls-Royce that could help make that happen. The two companies plan to work together on a sovereign combat aircraft engine for India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft or AMCA. The partnership could give a major boost to India's aerospace manufacturing ambitions. So what exactly are Reliance and Rolls-Royce planning? The two companies are exploring the possibility of setting up an aerospace gas turbine complex in India. The idea is to create an end-to-end engine hub. The proposed facility could cover the entire engine life cycle, from design and development to manufacturing, testing, production, and long-term maintenance and support. The goal is to build the AMCA engine in India with critical capabilities located within the country. The AMCA is India's flagship fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter project being developed by the DRDO under a project valued at approximately 15,000 crore rupees. The aircraft is expected to be inducted by 2035. But developing the aircraft is only one part of the challenge. The engine is one of its most critical components. For decades, India has relied on overseas manufacturers for fighter aircraft engines. And India's experience with its indigenous fighter program shows why this matters. India has successfully developed the Tejas family, but the propulsion systems for its frontline indigenous fighters still depend on overseas suppliers. The Tejas currently uses GE Aerospace engines, while the initial AMCA configuration is also planned to use the American GE F414 engine. That dependence also creates the risk of supply disruptions. According to Reuters, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has faced delays in receiving GE engines for the Tejas because of supply chain disruptions. This shows that even if India can design and manufacture its own fighter aircraft, dependence on imported engines can still affect production schedules and the pace at which new aircraft enter service. That is why an indigenous AMCA engine is about more than simply building another component in India. It is about gaining control over one of the most critical technologies in the entire fighter program. Rolls-Royce operates across 47 countries and brings decades of expertise in aero engine and propulsion technology. Reliance, meanwhile, brings technology, manufacturing scale, and project execution capabilities. But there is an important caveat. The announcement is currently an expression of strategic intent. It is not yet a formal joint venture or a commercial contract. The companies will first assess the possibility of setting up the proposed Aerospace Gas Turbine Complex. Morgan Stanley sees the move as part of Reliance's broader evolution. It says the conglomerate moved from chemicals in the 1980s to refining in the 2000s, consumer-facing businesses in the 2010s, and increasingly towards manufacturing in the 2020s. The aerospace push fits into that strategy, and the opportunity could extend well beyond the AMCA engine. The company said the partnership could eventually open up opportunities in defense, civil aviation, and emerging power and propulsion technologies. For Reliance, that could make aerospace a much bigger part of its manufacturing strategy. And for India, it could mark a critical step towards building fighter jet engines at home. Follow Business Standard for more stories.